Hi guys, let me show you what our agents can do. First, let's ask a simple question. Who are you? And what kind of data do you have access to? And build me a report with 7 key metrics from this project over the 7 days, split by days. So our agent already has access to the data warehouse, so it knows all kinds of advertising metrics, traffics, orders, revenue, signups, trial, LTV, and everything about ad campaigns and its structure. It can generate and execute queries and build reports and analyze them just from the simple prompt. And this is the layer 1. Layer 2 is where we can create automated rules and stop wasting those hours manually analyzing hundreds and thousands and creatives. Let's try it out. Create a rule that will stop ad sets with ROAS that is less than 80% and scale ad sets with ROAS over 150% and analyze only the last 7 days performance of each ad set and do a 1-day leg to give some time for users to actually convert. While it's working, let me show you. So it will create a query, check the performance, see that it's working, and when it sees, it will create a rule like this with actual action suggestions. For example, this ads should be decreased. Its ad spend should be decreased, and this one should be scaled, and this one should be stopped completely. I can check everything we know about this ad set with all the data and how it changes over time, day by day, and to see why it decided to scale it. And this one should be stopped because it generates pretty much almost no revenue. It was generating it in the past, but now it doesn't. So it probably should be stopped. We can take these actions right from the interface, or we can put it on autopilot. But before that, we probably want to make some changes here. The true magic comes when marketers can actually decide that, okay, I like this action, but I actually don't like this one because, I don't know, this ad set in the test campaign and we want to give it more time. So we can ask something like, hey, can you exclude ad sets from campaigns that are tagged as brand campaigns and tagged as test campaigns? And it will rebuild this rule on the fly and show new actions it suggests. So instead of thinking about like the accurate logic, we can actually vibe code rules with lag decisions, with LTV on LTV forecasts, with filters and exclusions. And once we're actually satisfied with the result, we can put it into autopilot mode with approval, or we can put it on full autopilot and with just action log. And this alone saves like hours per day for marketers, but not only that, it also takes actions faster, more accurately, saves money on ad spend, increase revenue, just because robots can do things faster and more accurately. Now marketers can wipe code their rules. This is what we have today. And next steps, we're going to add analysis of the changes and their actual impact on performance, knowledge base about what worked and what didn't work in the past, generation of new hypotheses, and actually launching ads right from the interface with the agent based on the knowledge base and based on their competitor analysis and new creative ideas. And basically, we want to automate the full cycle of launching ads, analyzing results, getting insights, and automating, taking actions, and then launching even more tests. So basically, teams can manually do like tens of tests per week, and we will enable them to go to hundreds tests per week, optimizing performance, getting to hyper-personalized ads at scale with the same team.